And coincidentally, new video shows an incredible rescue from a nasty wreck involving a 2015 Ford Explorer near Nashville. Are you looking at this? The man said he had an allergy attack behind the wheel, but also said felt something happen to the vehicle before he lost control. Take a listen.
And I just started sneezing, my allergies are flaring. I started sneezing. It felt like my front right tire, my passenger right tire went out because all of a sudden it just started slamming. It was all a blur. Next thing I know, I was just spinning and it flipped over on the side.
The man ended up trapped inside the SUV, but a group of golfers and construction workers nearby, they rushed to the scene, as you see there, to flip over the vehicle just before it burst into flames. The driver then jumped out and walked away with barely a scratch.